Welcome to Microprocessor 8085 block diagram. So this block diagram has got various different components. One of the very important, the major component is ALU, stands for Arithmetic and Logical Unit. So this unit takes input from two more subunits called accumulator, which is also called the processor register, and another register called temporary register. So here ALU takes input from these two registers and it sends the output. Post execution it sends the output to the bus. Meanwhile, we have got another register which is connected to accumulator called flag register. This flag register has got total 5 special flip-flops: carry, parity, auxiliary carry, 0 and sign bit. So these are the 5 different flip-flops, and the 3 more pins, the 3 more bits will be considered as dummy. Now along with these components, so we have got one more component called instruction register. Instruction register is a special register which is used to hold the instruction, which is used to store the instruction. Whatever instruction is being stored, this instruction has to be decoded and it has to be converted in required format. The decoding and encoding happens in a unit called instruction decoder. Now to manage all these applications, so we have got a one more unit called timing and control unit. Timing and control unit has got set of pins. It manages the power supply as well as the ground, and along with that the special inputs x1 and x2. Then it manages the read, write, the signals, address latch enable, then the select pins S0, S1, input bar memory lines, HOLD, hold, and HLDA. These are the DMA pins. Along with that the reset in and the reset out. Then we have got one more unit. So this unit which has got the multiplexer. Along with multiplexer we have got various the registers. W and Z are the temporary registers. Along with that B, C, D, E and H, L. These are the 6 special registers. So in case if we want to store the 16-bit data, that is 2 bytes, the register pair will be considered. The valid pairs are BC, DE and HL. Along with these registers we have got stack pointer, which is going to point the location in stack. Then the program counter, which is used to store the address of the next instruction to be processed. Along with that we have got the incrementer and decrementer address latch. So when we go through the buffer, so address buffer A8 to A15 are the address bus lines. Along with that we have got address or data buffer AD0 to AD7. Along with this there are two more units. One of the unit is serial input output control. This unit is used to take input from the serial input from the device as well as to send the output. SID is the serial input and SOD is the serial output. Along with this, the very important component called interrupt controller. Whenever the sub device requests, the processor has to handle that. Now to handle this actual request, this interrupt control is used. It has got two special pins called INTR and INTA. INTR is the interrupt request, INTA is going to be the interrupt acknowledgement. Along with this we have got three pins: RST 5.5, 6.5 and 7.5 are the reset pins. Then trap is used for internal interrupt. So this is the block diagram of microprocessor 8085. ALU, flag register, accumulator and temporary register, instruction register, instruction decoder. Along with this the timing and control unit. We have got two more units, three more units. One is this register module where we have got set of registers. Along with that the serial input output control, and finally the interrupt controller. So this is about the microprocessor 8085 block diagram. Thank you.